What's up, Career Readiness? If you're watching this, you're looking for a little more instruction on the Shoebox Director debut, the action worksheet. So the one thing that I wanted to show you is what you're going to be doing is you can use, there's a few, Stop Motion Studio or iMovie. Stop Motion Studio is available on the iPads here on campus. If you have another one at home, you're more than welcome to use it. But you're going to need to use this worksheet to create your plot and storyline. So you'll see where it says plot, and you need at least 2 characters, and it has the roles, like what do they do in the story. The scenes, you'll see scene 1, 2, 3, and 4. Below it, it has some dialogue boxes. You may need to add to that somewhere else, and that's fine. But what I need to make you well aware of is that in these scenes, you need to have color, and you need to try and show as much detail as possible because it will help you as you're recording the video. If you are with a partner, you are both required to make one of these sheets, okay? And then you're going to combine them kind of when you're working together to make the actual video. So we'll talk more about that on Monday. Make sure you bring your shoebox to school. But this sheet you will have today, and you need to finish your interview sheets as well and get your interviews done over the weekend. All right? So that is, if you have any questions, you can message me in Canvas. I'll be able to check it throughout the day. But yeah, good luck.